In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight assembly on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. Using a trim tool, take these two push pins out. And just slide this out. You don't have to take it out completely. You can just access the light from here. Disconnect the connector. Push down on the tab. Using a 8mm socket, take the two nuts out. And just grab the light from the outside, and it slides right out. Take the new light assembly, line it up, just push it in, take the nut, get that started. Once you get one nut started, you can let go of the light, put the other nut on. We'll snug this down. Snug that one down. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in, put this panel back in place. Just go under the weather strip. Might need a trim tool. That's good. Take the two push pins, push those in place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.